Hey folks, sorry for the noise, but got Fatwood Friday going. Got a small stick here from bigger chunk that I broke off, and this was sent to me from Mike. I'll put a description in his link down below, or I should say a link to his, you know what, you guys know what I mean. Link to his channel in his description box below. Right now she's on a Michigan birch bark fire lay, so she's trying. Oh, I can start smell the embers. We got her. There we go. I'll bring you back in a little bit. So while it's going, we'll go ahead and get our gravy, our canteen cup ready. Warm us up some gravy. A little bit of sausage gravy. Don't worry folks, we're going to throw some bacon in there too. Really kind of spice her up. So I got my gravy in there, and we'll just go ahead, throw a lid on this a little bit, and get it real close to the fire. And got hardwood smoked bacon. Can't go wrong with bacon, right? What do you guys think? A bit of birch bark just for that smell. Pre-made gravy is always nice. All you gotta do is basically just warm it up. No big deal on that. So what's new with you guys? Seen that Ron T. Sawyer did a great video on talking really positive about the community and sitting down watching everybody's videos. Doesn't matter if they're 10 minutes long or whatever. Kind of like what he pointed out, Joe Robin S. will do a 2-hour video. People will sit down and watch it, so why will we not, sit down and watch our buddies, right? So, kind of unique. I'll be going through and watch the Fatwood Fridays and see if I can't find some guys that need a little bit of attention and give their channel a little bit of love. God knows that you guys have done that for me, so you guys continue to do it for me. So I want to be able to do the same thing for give back a little bit, I guess you could put it. Man, you gotta love that birch. Oh, that's that slow burning birch too, man. A really good thick bark. That the paper birch, man, that's awesome for starting a fire. But that thick stuff come out of Michigan, man, it's slow burning, so you really get that good smell. And we're gonna pause there and flip my bacon, and we're gonna find out what it looks like. Just trying to heat my gravy up a little bit. Alright, bacon's on the bread. Time for a gravy. And that is our special Fatwood Friday. Time for me to go eat, boys and girls, and you enjoy.